Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Eevee. Insection. So he drew a different variation of Eevee, but you're going to have to watch till the end to figure out how he got to it. But we drew Eevee. This is our finished product. So we're going to show you how we did it. Let's jump into it. Okay, everybody. What are we drawing today, Noah?
Eevee.
Eevee. Okay. So we're going to draw Eevee from Pokemon. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to start. Eevee's head's going to be about right here. We got to make room for the ears that are going to come up here and the body. So we don't want to make the head too big because then we won't have room for everything else.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make kind of like a big U shape. Like that. Okay? It's going to look like this. So we're going to start right here. Go down. Do that. Big U. Nice. I love it. Okay. And then now we're going to draw Eevee's ears kind of look like big long diamonds. So it's going to go out like this.
Oh, that looks like kind of like Jolteon's ear.
Yeah, a little bit like Jolteon's ear. Jolteon is one of the evolutions of Eevee. Right, and then back down towards the center. Nice, I love it. And then Eevee has kind of like some spiky hair. I'll make the hair go to one side. Nice. We're going to do the other ear. Up like this. Point. And down. Nice. So at the bottom of the ear, we're going to do a couple little zigzags. Like that. A couple little zigzags. Like that.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to draw the inside of the ear. So we're just going to draw a line kind of on the inside of this one, like this. Just a smaller version of the other one that we drew.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, now we're going to draw two big eyes, and Eevee's eyes are not perfectly round. They're kind of a long oval, like
an upside down oval.
Yeah, or a side oval that's up and down vertical. Like it, yeah, it should look like this. Nice. And we'll do a little nose like this, kind of in the middle of the eyes. And we're going to do a little zigzag like this. Love it. Okay, and you could leave the mouth like that if you want Eevee's mouth to be closed, or you can go like this if you want Eevee to have an open mouth.
Ah!
I love it. Okay, now let's do the two little circles on the inside of the eyes for the reflection.
I'm looking up at the moon.
Then we'll color in the rest. And I usually go like this on the inside of the mouths. Just the little tongue. Okay, now we're going to draw Eevee's mane. I don't know what else to call it. Okay, we'll just draw a little bump. Bump. Then another bump. This one goes down like this.
It kind of looks like a stronger version. Oh, like a little version of Eevee, but just with hands and head.
Yeah. So do another little bump, bump, bump.
Now it looks like he's kind of muscly.
It does kind of. And now we're gonna do bumps that come kind of on the inside like this. Bump. Now it's gonna kind of go towards midline. This is midline. So we're gonna go bump, bump, so it comes towards the middle.
Now he looks like he's a caveman.
And then the last one is a little bump, bump, but it comes to a point like this. Point. Point.
No.
Okay, now we're gonna do a little tail right here. It comes out like this. Then it's gonna, from this bump right here, we're gonna come out like this, and it's gonna come to a point.
Right here. Nice fur.
Perfect.
Right.
Nice. And then here we're gonna do little zigzags. And we can do a little zigzag right here too. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do Eevee's legs. Okay. So
Legs?
So on this side right here, we're gonna come down.
Legs on fur.
And down, just like that. Okay, and then little paw, and then a line in the middle.
A little paw. A little paw.
And the line going all the way up.
No.
And then we'll come out like this, another one. Paw. Paw. Now draw the little toes.
It looks like he has 1,000 legs.
1,000 legs. I love it. Okay, now I'll just do the little, get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now it looks like he has a belly of legs.
Maybe that can be a new made-up evolution of Eevee that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. You know what has 6 legs? Insects. So it could be like a bug evolution of Eevee.
No!
Insection.
Insection.
Because there's Flareon, Jolteon, Vaporeon, and there's a whole bunch of new ones that are newer. But Insection. I love it. That looks cool.
This is a new one. Insection.
Okay, now let's color it. You ready? Okay, there is our Eevee. And what I like about yours,
Eevee.
you know what I like about yours?
What?
Is that through yours, we were able to teach people that even though we make mistakes, we could turn it into something really, really cool. So Eevee has a bunch of evolutions. There's Jolteon, Flareon, Vaporeon, there's like Umbreon, like there's a ton of different ones that I don't even know. But we made up our own because you made Eevee have 6 legs. And insects have 6 legs, so what are we calling your Pokemon?
Insection.
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 I love it. Okay, well, we hope that you guys had fun with us. Give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.